I may be out of luck on that one. Okay. All right, let's just stick with what we got. All right, so for now, I'm just going to program them all to have the same behavior. I really wanted to have 2 different behaviors, but that looks like that's not going to work today. So I'm going to go back over to my code. And download this code to a few different brains, and then we'll get started making the robots. Remember, my goal is 30. That's one thing I will say is that if you ever hire somebody, because this has happened to me several times, if you ever hire somebody to do like robotics workshops or STEM workshops and things like that, you have to be very clear with them about the head count. You know, if I'm just showing up to speak, whether 50 or 100 people are there, it doesn't make much difference because I'm talking. But a lot of the events I go to, I am building something, or I'm bringing something, or I'm showing something, and I do a lot of interactive hands-on activities, kids and adults. And so if someone tells me the event is going to have 15 people and I show up and there's 30, I don't always have enough stuff. And that actually happened a couple of weeks ago, where I was invited to a girls in STEM event, and they were like, oh, you're going to do several sessions, but no session will be over 15. I was like, oh, okay, so I'll just bring enough stuff for 15 people, and then even if I have over or under 15 people, I'm good to go. And I get there, and some of the sessions had over 15 kids. Now you're not talking about adults who are a little bit understanding, but you got kids. And so you got a kid there who may not have a robot to touch, or they may not have anything to do. So yeah, so it's very important. And yeah, I know someone's like, why don't you just plan ahead and bring more and extra? I always bring a little extra, but I mean, you know, there's only so much extra I'm gonna bring, right? And also another thing is when you over and underestimate is if I know the crowd's gonna be really huge, I might bring a student helper or an assistant. But if you tell me it's gonna be 5 to 10 people there, I can handle that. I teach 30 college students. But then showing up with a bunch of kids and it's bigger than that, that's a problem. Here's another one. While I'm sharing and downloading robot brains.